Are you required to wear a helmet or other safety gear as a driver and a passenger in California? Could not wearing safety gear negatively impact my case? California law requires that people riding a motorcycle wear an approved safety helmet. This law applies to both motorcycle operators and passengers. If you do not wear a helmet while on a motorcycle, you will get a costly ticket. If you are in a collision while not wearing a helmet, you might be blamed for your head injury, even if you are not at fault for the collision. The value and recovery in your claim will be reduced if a helmet would have reduced the likelihood or seriousness of an injury. This is called mitigation of damages in the state of California. Do you need to learn more about personal injury in Woodland Hills, California? At the law office of John P. Rosenberg, we work hard to ensure that you're financially taken care of and able to move forward to a brighter future in the wake of your accident. Request a consultation by visiting our website at www.jrosenberg.com.